Thank you, Nick. One small online posting, one giant leap forward for medicine.
10 scientists have decided to post their DNA sequences online for all of the world to see. The Personal Genome Database is a Harvard Medical School effort. NECN's Scott Yunt is in Boston tonight with the story. Scott?
Well, Beth, that's right. Harvard Medical School researchers want to gather 100,000 people's genome data and put it into a giant database to further the science. What if you could predict your chance of being obese or suffering from diabetes by simply looking at a map of your genes?
Unique project, as far as we know, worldwide.
At Harvard Medical School, 10 scientists, researchers, and others fascinated by the human genome announced they are set to post their most private information on the internet, all for the sake of research.
Wouldn't it be great if you got the right medication or the right diagnostic test based on who you are, based on your DNA?
Dr. John Halamka will release his genome as well as his family's medical history. For instance, his father suffers from multiple sclerosis. The goal, to build a huge database. Researchers will have access to that information to further the kind of study that can predict diseases before they happen.
And one wonders, if I carry a gene for a neurological disorder, is there some relationship to this gene and his multiple sclerosis?
Think of it as a kind of genetic Facebook. The researchers are convinced that their information and that of thousands of others will help individual doctors better care for their patients.
I think that it's a great opportunity for me to share my information so that we can learn more about the impact of genetic information and how it does actually reflect itself in our health.
Some wonder whether too much genetic information could hurt the patient. Congress has passed the Genetic Non-Discrimination Act, but it has yet to be implemented. One fear is that genetic information could lead to losing a job or being denied health care coverage.
Whether it's the medical record or their genetic data, and release it to those who need to know, the doctors who are caring for them, for good coordination of care, for making sure they get the right treatment. So I actually do not expect that insurance companies are going to be able to get access to this data without patient consent.